Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to create the AI employee email signature images, like you see on the screen here. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and use the camera and just go ahead and take a picture of the desired employee standing in front of our logo in the sales office. Once you have the photo and you're okay with it, you're going to go to this website here, dzine.ai, and you're going to create a free account just using your Google account. And then once you're logged in, you're going to go to the home page and go to image here. And this is going to pop up. Now I'm just going to go to another tab which already has all the settings that we use. And so you're going to go to cute exaggeration, and that's under character for the style. Style intensity is going to be 1, which is the strongest. Structure match is going to be 0.7. Color match, face match, high quality. And then at this point, all you're going to do is just drag and drop the photo that you took with the camera into this area here. Go ahead and hit generate. It's going to pop up a bunch of different options, as you can see here. Find the one that you want to roll with, and what you're going to do is just go ahead and click download, and all these settings are fine. Go ahead and download that, and you're going to get a PNG. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a Photoshop file called AI Email Profile Template, and that is located under the farm, Kaizink Marketing, Kaizink Team, Email Profile, AI Images, right here. And you can see that it has our emblem because most of the time the AI doesn't do a good job with the emblem, so that's in there if you need it. And what you're going to do is go ahead and take the PNG that you downloaded from the Design AI, drop it in. In some cases, it's going to be best to do a clipping mask around the employee, so that way you can knock out the background if it didn't do a good job with it. And so you can see what that looks like here. It also put a strange logo on her shirt, so all we did was took a Kaizink logo, which is built into the template, so you won't have to worry about opening that, and just cut a section of her hair and pasted it in front like so. So now it looks like she's wearing a Kaizink shirt and standing in front of the emblem, and it looks a lot better than the original AI image. Thanks for watching.